and welcome to Cricut by Nature. My name is Donna. I want to say a big thank you to Cricut for sponsoring this video. The Cricut Joy, it's a great tool to have on hand when you are a crafter who's on the go. It's easy to use and set up. So I am going to show you how you can use your Cricut Joy anywhere else but indoors. That's right, this is Cricut's newest machine, and it's compact, portable, and so easy to use. Let me show you where you can take your Cricut Joy on the go. All supplies used were provided by Cricut. Links for all the Cricut Joy products used in this video will be linked for you all down in my video description box. So the Cricut Joy machine comes with a power cable, a pen, some samples of products, a standard grip mat, as well as some startup instructions. So I really wanted to try using the Cricut Joy outside and on the go. To craft outside or on the go, you need a flat surface, a beautiful sunny day, protection from the elements, a power source, Bluetooth connection, Cricut Design Space app, and any other supplies that you need for your projects. Offline use is available for computers, laptops, iOS operating systems. Not available for Androids at this point, but they're hopeful that they'll have that for us soon. Here are the supplies for our first project. Making cards with the Cricut Joy is so easy. You just need your Cricut Design Space app, and I'm going to select a card from the free Cricut Joy section. You can see that the image is just to the left, and I will be following all the prompts that are on the screen. So here's the card mat and the card and the insert. You're going to start off by removing the protective covering on the card mat, and you're going to want to set that aside. You'll need that later. You're going to put the card into the card mat and then smooth it down. Again, following all the prompts on this screen, it will tell you what you all need to do. So the great thing about Cricut Joy is that there are no buttons on the machine. Everything is done on your device. There's two little sensors on the bottom of the machine, and it'll sense when you insert your mat, and it will just continue on as the prompts tell you on the screen. As you can see, this design really is intricate, and the Cricut Joy is doing a fantastic job. Once the Cricut Joy is done, you're going to flip the card mat upside down on a flat surface and gently pull the card away. And then using a weeding tool to remove any of the leftover bits. Now I am going to put the holographic insert in behind my image, and then you got a card done. It is so pretty, and it was so fun and easy to make. So now we're going to be personalizing this cup for my daughter using a product called Smart Vinyl. So again, you're going to follow all the prompts that are shown on your screen. This time I am going to be uploading my own image into the Cricut Design Space. I will be using this in the Canvas tab. The difference with this particular project is that I am going to be using the machine without a mat. So Smart Vinyl is a product that's specifically made for Cricut Joy. It comes in different colors, permanent, removable, metallics, even glitter and decorative paper. It makes this tool so great to be able to use it on the road, not having to worry about packing mats. Now I'm just going to cut off the portion of the vinyl that has my image, and using the weeding tool, I'm just going to start to remove any of the excess vinyl left behind. And then using some Cricut Joy transfer tape, I am going to remove the backing and apply it on top of my image. Using the scraping tool, you're going to burnish the transfer tape onto your vinyl image. Then apply the transfer tape with the image onto your clean surface. You guys, this is so easy. It is really a great way to make some personalized gifts or, items for a craft fair. I really had a lot of fun learning how to use the Cricut Joy. It was such a beautiful day out. The cat was running around and the kids were playing in the yard, and I got to do my crafting. My daughter absolutely loves how this tumbler cup turned out. She loves horses, and for us to be able to find this beautiful image and personalize her cup was so fun to do. Okay, we're taking the Cricut out onto the sun deck. I wanted to create something really fun for my fall decor, so I had this picture frame from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to remove some of the parts and just remove any of the smudge marks that may be on the glass, and then I am going to be filling up one portion of it using some thin pieces of birch bark. I love to add nature into my crafts whenever I can, so I thought this would be perfect to try and use for this project. So I have sandwiched the birch bark between two pieces of glass. This time I'm using some champagne gold metallic smart vinyl in permanent. It's beautiful color. So again, you're going to be following all the prompts on the screen of your device, and this time I have typed out "Hello Fall." So the Cricut Joy is done cutting out my "Hello Fall" words, and I'm going to follow all the same procedures I did before for the tumbler. I absolutely love how this piece turned out. I love how rustic it is and how easy it was. It's a great project for anybody to do. Again, Cricut Joy is so compact, making it a great device to take on the road. This is a small compact vehicle, and I could fit the Cricut Joy in the back of my vehicle without a problem. We went out to my mom's house, and we are going to craft in her backyard. We are going to make another card, but I'm going to introduce you to another product you can use. Look, we even had a deer come and visit us while crafting. So the Cricut Joy comes with their own line of pens. They are specifically made for the Cricut Joy as they are compact. I am going to make the pumpkin card, and first you have to remove the blade and insert the pen, and then follow the prompts on your device. Once the Cricut Joy pen is done, you will remove it and put the blade back in its place. Again, you will follow the prompts in the Cricut Design space on your app and allow the Cricut Joy to finish cutting your card. I have inserted the polka dot insert, and it is so cute. This would be great to give to somebody for Thanksgiving, or you could even frame it and use it as art for the fall season. The beauty of Cricut Joy is that you could even use it in your RV. If you're somebody who likes to travel, or you're a crafter who travels to different craft shows, or you are somebody who is a snowbird and travels down south for the winter, as long as you have a power source, Wi-Fi if needed, and all the supplies you need for your project, you can take this machine wherever you go. You can even use it out camping if you have full hookup. The Cricut Joy can also be used with the Cricut Easy Press, as there are a line of products specifically made for the Cricut Joy to be used with Easy Press. I will be showing you some of those products in a later video. The Cricut Joy was such an easy machine to learn how to use. And if you are a beginner, I highly recommend it, as I myself am a beginner. And if you are somebody who is a crafter on the go, again, I highly recommend this machine. I want to say a big thank you to Cricut for sponsoring this video, and I want to thank you all for watching this. I hope you learned something, and I hope you are going to be taking the Cricut Joy on the go. Have a great day. See you in the next one. Bye.